Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Fixed rate loan question. If inflation beats expectations, who wins after repayment? Watch this, because the logic is simple and the correct choice appears quickly.
Okay, the key idea, in a fixed rate loan, the borrower pays back the same nominal dollars promised earlier, so the payment amount does not rise later with surprise inflation. Now connect inflation to purchasing power. If inflation ends up higher than expected, each dollar repaid buys less real stuff, which means the borrower gives back less real value overall. That flips the outcome. Borrowers benefit and lenders lose when unexpected inflation rises, so the borrower's financial position improves under option A.
Well done! Option A, scan now. Avoid rushing past signs. Trust the given setup and check each step, because unexpected inflation helps fixed rate borrowers.